Today's video is me showing you my shampoo day routine. So before you get too excited, I have a bathing suit on. So yeah, this is not that type of video. It's just all about the hair. Let's stay focused on the hair. You see that? Yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So we're gonna shampoo, and when you shampoo in your hair, what you really wanna do is get that water in there good. You wanna get it saturated. And then we're gonna take my shampoo, the Hydro Restore shampoo, and I focus only on my scalp for the first shampoo, even for the second shampoo too. So as you can see, I'm putting it close to my scalp, moving the hair out the way, and then in the back. So I kind of focus on 3 points: the front, the middle, and then the very back. And then you can just glide the soap or the shampoo through the rest of the hair. But again, when you're scrubbing, you want to scrub with your fingertips and on the scalp. You don't have to ruffle your hair, and this goes for locks or natural hair. So just scrubbing or massaging your scalp till it just feels good. All the itchiness and stuff, yeah, just like work the shampoo through. Your first shampoo is typically never going to be extra soapy or sudsy, and that's okay, because normally you would have had oils and different things on your hair preventing it from being extra sudsy. So you're gonna rinse that off, and you're gonna rinse it off really good before you repeat. That's why in most instructions on shampoos it says rinse, repeat, because that second shampoo is when it's really gonna get all the extra cleansiness happening. So rinse that off really well before doing another shampoo. So that second shampoo, we're gonna do the same exact thing we did with the first one. We're going to concentrate on that front, the middle, and then the back. Again, still just using our fingertips to massage our scalp to lift up any dirt, debris, and then of course rubbing that shampoo throughout the hair. Now again, if you are loose natural or locks, it is not necessary to ruffle up your hair on the ends like you're washing clothes. Not necessary. You just want to massage your scalp and then run your fingers straight down onto your hair. This is going to prevent any matting, any extra tangling that's not really necessary. And then for locks, it just helps keep the hair from frizzing up more than is necessary to do. So you just run your fingers through, massaging with your fingertips on your scalp and getting the shampoo onto the hair. Again, not like you're washing clothes, not necessary. Now, this might surprise and shock a lot of you, but I add conditioner to my locks. Surely do. Yes, indeed, yo. So before you do that, you want to squeeze out as much water as possible, because you want the conditioner to be able to go into your hair. So I'm using my Hydro Restore conditioner. I put a generous amount, which I think is generous, and then I concentrate more on just the hair. I try not to get too much on my scalp, because sometimes that's what can make our scalp itchy, but it's the hair that needs the conditioning, and my hair feels so soft, so lightweight, so airy, and that's the look, or that's the feel that I like my locks to feel like. So I just like to massage that all throughout my hair, and then just kind of pin it up, and then I take care of business in the shower, and then that's the time that your hair can soak up some of that conditioner as you're showering, especially if you have the steamer. It's going to get all the moisture. So after taking care of what you're doing in the shower, you can go ahead and rinse that conditioner off. And I don't know what's going on with my camera view at this point. I guess I was just trying to make sure you only saw the hair. So that's what y'all seeing. Y'all gonna see the hair, but we're rinsing the conditioner off. And then when you're rinsing the conditioner, you want to really make sure you're rinsing it off, not leaving any kind of conditioner left behind. So you rinse, squeeze. This is specifically for locks. Rinse, squeeze to make sure you're squeezing all of any extra conditioner out, because what's left in there, your hair have already absorbed. So anything that is not absorbed in, you want to squeeze that out. And then you could proceed to style. So now I'm just taking my towel off after a nice shampoo, and it feels soft and my scalp is nice and clean. On a shower day or shampoo day for me is just awesome. I just love the way my scalp and my hair feels. So now I'm just going in with my Rose Hydration Mist. Even though my hair is still wet, I still like to add the Rose Hydration Mist because it has a lot of more moisture properties in there, like my glycerin, the rose essential oils, and just rose water in general is gonna more so stick and grab in moisture. So that's the moisture that is gonna go in there, and then I like to seal it in with my moisture replenisher oil. So again, water moisturizes and then oil seals in the moisture. And honestly, I do this daily. I do not miss a day when I'm spraying my Rose Hydration Mist and my moisture replenisher oil, and that keeps my hair soft, it keeps it shiny, and it keeps it from having that dull look that I can't stand to see on locks, or just loose natural in general. And I do go in with my Black Seed Root Stimulator, and I put that on my scalp. It makes my scalp nice and clean, like you could just feel it just hydrating my scalp, and like my scalp is like drinking it all up. So back to my moisture replenisher and my Rose Hydration Mist. The only times I am not doing that every day is if I have curls. So if I'm rolling my hair up and I'm wearing it curly, no, I'm not doing that every day, because then my curls will drop, obviously. But these 3 steps I do daily. The Black Seed Root Stimulator, not so much every single day, maybe every other day, or just 2 to 3 times out of the week. But the other 2, I do not miss if my hair is straight, because my hair loves it. So I hope this helped. What I want you guys to do now is make sure you're just subscribed, share, and like this, and stay tuned for next week, because next week I'm going to show you how I roll them. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will talk to all you lovely ladies later. Bye.